Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you how to cancel Linktree subscription. So friends, follow me on this video guide. First step, login, go to your account and then look for billing option. Select your billing option on your account. This is the billing option, friends. As you can see here, click on billing option. This is the billing option on your accounts. And then you have the option, scroll down, click downgrade to free. This is option to downgrade to free. After that, select your reason you want to cancellation. So it looks like anyone you have if you don't have any features, and then click downgrade this to free. This is option to downgrade your accounts, and then you will see this option, your state be cancelled. So friends, this is how you can do it. Is just easy steps. Look for billing option from your accounts and then go to your billing as I say, and then click on downgrade to free. This is the option. I hope this guide helpful for you. Just click downgrade to free.